Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add the Utorrent extension to Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those dots to open Chrome's main menu. This menu gives you access to various browser settings and features, including extensions. After clicking the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. Now hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. When you do this, a submenu will expand to the side, showing you additional extension-related options. From this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to Chrome's official extension marketplace where you can browse and install various add-ons to enhance your browser's functionality. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type Utorrent into the search field. This will help you quickly locate the official Utorrent extension among thousands of other available extensions. After typing, either press Enter or click the search icon to see the results. The search results will display the Utorrent extension. Click on it to open the extension's dedicated page where you can read more details about what it does and see user reviews. Once you're on the extension page, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click this button to begin the installation process. A small pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. The extension will now download and install automatically, which usually takes just a few seconds. After the installation is complete, look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser again. You'll see a puzzle piece icon which represents your extensions. Click on this icon to view all your installed extensions. From the list that appears, find and click on the Utorrent extension. This will open the extension's interface. Now here's an important step. You'll need to connect the Utorrent web UI to make the extension fully functional. The extension will prompt you to input specific information including your port number, username, and password. These credentials link your browser extension to your desktop Utorrent application, allowing them to communicate with each other. You'll also need to follow the on-screen instructions to adjust some settings within your actual Utorrent application on your computer. This ensures that the extension has the proper permissions and access to manage your torrents directly from your browser. And that's it! You've successfully added and configured the Utorrent extension for Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.